This is TCL 505, and today I'll show how you can insert a SIM and SD card into this smartphone. First, you gotta obviously have some kind of injection tool on your hands in order to, take the SIM card tray out of this device. If you think you don't have it, check the phone's packaging, the box it came in. Manufacturers always put those tools alongside your, phone in the box. So look there. If those searches didn't result in anything positive, you might also use the needle or perhaps an unfolded paper clip. Now I also obviously require SIM cards that will be installed or inserted, as well as memory card. Now let's take the injection tool, tilt your phone to the right on the phone's left side, left panel here. Find or look for this SIM card tray, and then put your injection tool inside this little hole and then push it in. After that, the SIM card slot or SIM card tray will pop right out. So here we have 3 slots. This one is designed for memory card and those 2 are for SIMs. So now let's put the memory card. Just align your cards with their respective slots. It shouldn't be an issue here. Make sure that they are aligned and occupy they fall in and they occupy an exact amount of space that they should, whatever. Now return your SIM card tray back inside the phone. And, the deed is done. So that'll be it. Thanks for watching and bye-bye.